Hey guys, it's Francis with Fran-Phoenix. It is Friday, March 7th. It is 2:11 p.m. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick after lunch shift. So like the slowest part of the day. We're gonna see how much I make when it's like pouring rain out. Let's go see what we can do in about an hour. And it's only gonna be about an hour because I got a live stream after that scheduled for you guys. So but anyway. I just wanted to say also thank you to all my members, to the Bucket of Corn. You guys freaking rock. And for my subscribers, I don't know what I would do without you. And all of the supporters who have given me super chats and gifted memberships. People like Luke, people like Logan, Maverick, Bruce, Roy, Troy with Adventure America, Chris with Ari's World, just everyone, Stormy, Heather, Kaylee, Corey, I'm trying to think just off the top of my head who's like helped. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for doing that, for gifting, for supporting me, and then everyone else that watches me on a daily basis at this point, because I'm trying to get those hours, people. So I appreciate you supporting me. I promise you only have to deal with me for this much for a short period of time, maybe. But if you like it, just let me know. I don't know if I can keep going at this rate, but we'll see. All right, let's go get it. Enough talking. Alright, you guys, so far all I've gotten is, you know, the garbage that no one else wants. Apparently there's a mission for Grubhub. Earn an extra $5 or more by completing 5 orders without skipping more than 2. That's never gonna happen. One time I did 3 orders. I think I skipped a bunch though. $11.20 for 29.1 for pork on the fork. No. But thanks for thinking of me, Uber. I appreciate it. I'm very frustrated with Uber right now. For those that watch my live streams, you'll know that Uber, even if it's not your fault that the order is either canceled or someone sold the order and the restaurant refuses to make it, it does affect your cancellation rate. And you cannot go and complain to a supervisor to get it resolved. $2.50 for 4.8 miles, Duncan. No. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, 11 for 16. It's 2. Jason's like, no. Alright, we get a 6 for 3.6 Chipotle. It is a house, but it is raining, you guys. If I'm gonna take a $6 order, I'm gonna see what's out there first. 7 for 2.5. Okay, I am comfortable with this, especially because I have about a half a mile to the restaurant. So we're gonna do that. 7 for 2.5. I didn't get a screenshot of that, of course, because I always do that, don't I? I always forget lately when it's because I don't have my magnet. Well, I have like my magnet necklace, but I don't have my magnet attachment for this so I can't just put it around my neck. I gotta hold my thing. All right, let's flip around and get some Flamingo Palace. Honestly, I love Flamingo Palace because as long as the order isn't upside down and it pays at least $7, I try to take them because they're always ready. So it's like, I'm okay with taking a $7 order if I know it's gonna be ready. If I'm gonna have to wait at all, F that. So we're gonna turn around, we're gonna flip a little biatch, and we're gonna get that Flamingo Palace.
Quarter-mile turn right.
For Colin R. Thank you.
Is it Uber?
Yeah, it's just chicken and fried rice with crab pots.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Yes, I'll confirm. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guys, it is 46 degrees out right now, and it's raining. Alright, let's open the door. Let's go. Okay. All right, so 12 for 22, Flamingo Palace. Okay, no. Okay, guys, I just dropped that off. In the directions, I got a screenshot of the directions. It said you can just put it right in front of the garage. Dude, it's pouring rain. Hold on. Sorry, I thought that one might have been like a customer. They want to add a 13 for 15. I can't even talk. Like, there's too much going on. Okay, no, we're not doing that. I got a 7 for 4 on the way, but it's literally, like it says, it was 1.5 miles to the restaurant, so it's like a 7 for 3 instead of, no, it was a 7 for 4.5, and yeah, but it's really like a 7 for 3 because I would have to drive over by those restaurants anyway. Okay, you guys, I accepted this Wendy's 7 for 4.6, but from the customer's house, which I was at, I had to charge my camera really quick though, but was 1.5 miles. So it's really like a 7 for 3 because I would have to drive back here anyway. It's not ideal. I'm just taking it to see if I can make at least 20 bucks in an hour, which I think I can because it's pretty busy. It's obviously raining, but this guy I'll show you the instructions. I took a screenshot of it. It said to leave by the door or by the garage door, and I'm like, oh my gosh, no, can I put it by the front door please? And I don't like bothering people that have like messages like that that say like leave the door, thanks so much. And so I was like, okay. It looked like there was like a slightly dry spot by the garage door. The rain wasn't immediately coming on it, so I just took a picture of it where he requested, mind you, and said, by garage door per your request, thank you so much, have a great day, or whatever in the notes. So hopefully I don't get in trouble for that, but it's like, change your fucking notes, dude. So I'll do what they say. Not gonna immediately question that unless it's like there's a pool of water and then their food is gonna get messed up. I have done that where like it says leave at the door, but there's literally nowhere to put their pizza, and I'm like, I'm so sorry, but your pizza is gonna get like washed away. So that person just like went. Cool. Anyway, yeah, it is pouring rain right now. So hopefully people are going to be a little more generous with their tips. I'm seeing a lot of 7s, so I'll take a 7 at lunch, usually without hesitation, as long as it's only like 3 or 4 miles. But nothing too crazy, unfortunately. No bangers. But let's go pick this up. Hopefully it's ready. There's an 11 for 8 Dave's Hot Chicken for Uber, but it's 2. Or this 7 for 2.9 Jimmy John's. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, you guys, I did something really stupid. So I accepted the Uber Eats, declined, or let the DoorDash time out because I'm an idiot. And the Uber Eats was 2, so I had to unassign both of those. And then by the time, you know, I don't know what I did. Like, I just, like, let... I'm so stupid. Anyway, that was fun. And so I lost that order for DoorDash because I'm so used to, like, just declining DoorDash. I don't know. But now my cancellation rate on Uber is probably, like, 10% or something now. It went from, like, 3 to 10% in, like, 24 hours. Whatever. Anyway, luckily DoorDash... because I let the offer expire rather than decline, they gave me another one. It was $7. It was almost as good. It was 2.8 instead of 2.6. We're gonna do this one. That way we can get, we'll have 3 7s, so it's $21 in 1 hour, like kind of the dead part of the day, the end of lunch shift. So not horrible. Better than some days this week. Oh my gosh. But let's go get it. Alright, I heard people talking about this yesterday. You have to check to make sure that everything is there. And it says, do not open sealed bags. So, what? So I'm just, that's so stupid. Anyway, this is an apartment, 2nd floor, of course. Let's go get it. Like, 90% of the bags are like sealed in some way or like tied to the point where you can't open them up without it being able to not tie it again. Sorry, I have hiccups. Probably because I'm like so annoyed. I don't get, what is this gonna do? This is so stupid. So we're in charge of it. Why don't we just mark the bag is fucking sealed? Like, how about we do that? And then we don't have to do this check. How about just put note whether the bag is sealed or not? That would make more sense than checking whether we have all the shit. And if it's not sealed, why don't we ask the restaurant to seal it? And to ensure, because it's not our fucking problem if the restaurant forgets to give us shit. So anyway, I'm gonna take a break because I need to get rid of these hiccups. Alright guys, I made $21 in the first hour, which lately I will accept as being fine, especially during a weird lunch, like a late lunch shift. I have to start a live in 12 minutes, so I'm gonna take a quick break, and I have hiccups still, so I need to figure that whole business out. I'm gonna get some water. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. If I can get through this without hiccuping more. Alright, bye.